Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Monese account. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including a current account, debit card, and overdraft facility. I've been using Monese for a while now, and I've found it to be a really convenient and easy-to-use banking app. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of opening a Monese account, from downloading the app to verifying your identity. So, if you're interested in learning more about Monese, or if you're thinking about opening an account, then be sure to watch this video until the end. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to open a bank account, but you didn't have the time or the patience to go through the traditional process of visiting a branch and filling out paperwork? If so, then Monese is the perfect solution for you. Monese is a mobile-only bank that allows you to open an account in just a few minutes from your smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Monese account in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the Monese app. The first step is to download the Monese app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Create an Account button. Step 3. Enter your personal details. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Step 4. Verify your identity. To verify your identity, you'll need to take a photo of yourself holding your passport or driver's license. Step 5. Choose your plan. Once you've verified your identity, you'll need to choose your plan. Monese offers 3 different plans: Classic, Premium, and Ultra. Step 6. Activate your account. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll need to activate your account by entering the activation code that you received via email or text message. Step 7. Start using your Monese account. Once your account is activated, you can start using it right away. You can use the Monese app to check your balance, make payments, and transfer money. Additional tips. Monese offers a variety of features, including the ability to set up direct debits, send and receive money internationally, and get a free debit card. Monese is available in a number of countries, including the UK, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. Monese is a safe and secure banking app. All of your data is encrypted and stored securely. And that's it. That's how to open a Monese account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Monese, be sure to check out their website or social media channels. Thanks for watching.